Are you ready for an epic episode of Dinosaur Fire Team? This one's called the Volcano Disaster, and it's got lots of fire truck action together with firefighting dinosaurs. So get ready, because here we go! And remember, it's
Dinosaur Fire Team.
Who's got fire trucks and prehistoric power?
It's Dinosaur Fire Team.
What? What's going on down there, guys? Sounds like we got a general alert. Hey, what? Hang on, Fawcett. I'm checking the computer right now. Alright? Oh boy, this is not good. What are your sensors showing, Cinder Bot?
It looks like volcanic activity. Sensors at maximum. Alert the chief. Come in, Chief Waterman. We have a major disaster. We will need Dinosaur Fire Team.
Roger that, Cinder Bot. Bronwyn, how far away is the volcano from the city?
What? I calculate only 7.5 minutes.
Oh no! We need to get a lot of water on that volcano and fast. Fawcett, sound the alarm, scramble the team.
This is Fawcett, calling all Dinosaur Fire Team. This is not a drill. We have a major emergency. Please respond.
First things first, I need eyes on that volcano, pronto. Backdraft, take Marcel, and fly over there. Get me a report. If we're gonna intercept that lava, we'll have to pinpoint exactly where it's flowing and project where it will go before it's too late.
Nice work, Backdraft. Take us up higher. We've no time to lose. Dinosaur Fire Team has put out a lot of fires before, but never a lava-spewing volcano.
There! I see some fire! That's gotta be the volcano down there! Prepare to dive!
Oh boy. Chief, Marcel here. We're surveying the fire now, but it's super big and super hot. This is gonna take even more water than we thought. Better try the Bambi bucket. It's the most water we've got.
Dinosaur Fire Girl reporting. Fawcett, where are you? I need my co-pilot.
In here. I came as quick as I could. Let's go. Activate tail rotor. Activate primary blades. Dinosaur copter taking off.
Maximum altitude.
Okay, the first step is to load the dinosaur copter's Bambi bucket with as much water as we can carry. Let's head for Reed River and scoop up that water.
There's Reed River, preparing to load the bucket.
There's a half bucket.
We'd better get more. Try again.
There, almost full.
Okay, let's head for the volcano. There's the volcano. It's getting even bigger.
I'm angling the Bambi bucket for a splash drop. Oh my goodness! It's not working! There's too much lava! The water is steaming away before it even hits the surface!
Come in, Captain Waterman. We're going to need a new plan.
Good news! The computer projects that before the lava hits the city, it will first flow past Reed River. That might slow it down.
Negative. I calculate the water flow is insufficient to stop the volcano.
Nuts. Too bad the river isn't bigger. Wait a second. What about the old dam? If we could get it open, we can make the river much bigger.
Negative. The old dam no longer has a control valve to open.
Then we'll break it open. I know 2 dinosaurs who can destroy almost anything. Teresa, Smoke Stomper, we need you to crack open the old dam.
We're on it, Chief. That's a really big dam. Then maybe we better get to work. My jaws of life can rip cars open, but this is too tough even for me. What are we gonna do? Watch and learn. My tail slam isn't working either. It's no use. We'll never break the old dam down before the lava flow arrives.
Keep trying, Smoke Stomper. I'm sending Backdraft and Marcel to scout for signs of weak points in the dam. There must be a vulnerable point somewhere we can tear down to increase the water's flow. Go, Dinosaur Fire Team!
Hey! Land there! Check that out! If we could just get these boulders out of the way, I bet we have a lot more water flow.
Ah! I'll do a flyby! You're right! This is humongous waterfall, Marcel. It's been blocked by boulders.
I'll call it in. You getting all this, Chief?
Loud and clear. Lefty and I are on the fire jeep and on our way now. We're trying to find a way to take care of those boulders. You and Backdraft head back to base. Get the aerial one fire truck ready. We might need the fire hose to blast the rocks clear. Go, Dinosaur Fire Team! We're almost there. You still okay back there, Lefty?
I'm okay. I just wish I had longer arms to hold on with, that's all.
Good, because I think I see the weak point Marcel and Backdraft spotted.
I'll hop off and look. Yeah, this is it. But these boulders don't look like they're gonna be so easy to move.
We don't have time for T-Risa and Smoke Stomper yet. Come on, let's try working together. Give it a good push. On 3.
Oh, there's no way.
Okay, then. I'll get the tow cable from the fire truck. Let's use the power of the fire jeep to pull the rocks free. Come grab it, Lefty.
Right, Chief.
I just hope the cable's strong enough to hold.
There. I've got it hooked up as best I can. Start the engine, Chief.
It's working. Come on. A little more power. Just a little more. Oh no! The tow cable ripped free. Oh, we need a new plan. Let's hope Aerial 1 gets here quick. Come on, Lefty, let's rendezvous.
On my way, Chief.
Well, now we've run out of road completely. We're stuck.
How are we gonna get Aerial 1 across the dam? The team is counting on us.
Just leave that to me. I've been saving one of my inventions for just this occasion. Just raise the ladder to max extension, okay?
Okay, squats.
Whoa!
Now everyone hold on. This is going to be loud.
What is that? Some kind of rocket booster?
That's exactly what it is.
You attached a rocket booster to our fire truck?
Yep, that's exactly what I did. Now let's fire this baby up. We gotta go.
Initiating launch sequence.
Wow! Turn it off! Turn it off! Wow, Squat! I can't believe that worked!
Of course it worked, Backdraft. I built it.
Okay, turn the truck around.
Yeah! We gotta blast that dam with a hose!
Come on, Plates. Aerial 1 is in place. Jump in the boat. We gotta help them.
But, Justin, I'm not a water dinosaur.
Come on. We've got to hurry. If we don't get that dam open soon, the city's gonna burn.
Hold me, Justin! Hold me!
Quit clowning around, Plates. We gotta go.
There's Aerial 1 and the team!
Hang on, I'm tanking us in. Get ready to spin. I'm gonna back the fireboat up. Justin, over here! I see you, Marcel. Perfect! You can work the water cannon and blast the rocks! There's not enough time to get up. You can do it, Marcel. Remember your training. Please, moor the boat.
I got it, no problem. Just glad to be on land.
Ah, you heard Justin, you know what to do. Let's get this hose primed and the ladder extended right now! Bronwyn, backdraft, activate the hydraulics! Come on, we can do this! Alright, that's full extension. Now orient the ladder, guys.
Here comes the boob swing. Steady as she goes.
Looks good, team. I can see the weak point in the dam.
Water cannon ready at 400 PSI. Let's do this.
On my mark. 3, 2, 1, fire! No effect. Increase the water pressure.
400 PSI, go!
This would put out just about any fire, but it's not enough to smash a dam! Come in, backdraft. This is Justin. Raise the hose pressure to maximum pressure, 1500 PSI. We're going to have to risk bursting the hose line. It's our only chance.
1500? I've never seen a hose that strong before.
Do it now! 3, 2, 1, fire! It's our most powerful blast ever, and it's still not enough! I'm so sorry, guys! Don't lose hope, team. There's still one thing we haven't tried. That's the strength of Dinosaur Fire Girl. Her giant size and dinosaur blood transfusion might give her the power to destroy those rocks. Come in, Dinosaur Fire Girl!
On my way, Justin. We're landing now. Fawcett, take us down.
No problem. That's another perfect landing. We're here, Justin. How can we help?
Good, because we're running out of options.
I'm here too. We'll solve this together.
And me! Come on, team. I know we can think of something. Look! There's Dinosaur Fire Girl now. She's on her way. But what is she carrying?
I've brought my diamond-tipped chainsaw. Let me take a shot at those boulders. Yeehaw! Take that! I think I see a weak point underwater. I've got to go deeper.
This is working, but she's going to need more help.
Smoke Stomper and Teresa are the only ones strong enough.
I don't think they can get here in time. They're too far out of position and they move too slowly.
Then it's up to us. If I can swim under those boulders, maybe I can help Dinosaur Fire Girl. Help me get an oxygen mask on, Chief.
There you go. All secure.
Thanks, Chief. Hang on, Dinosaur Fire Girl. I'm sending some underwater help.
Thanks, Justin. I'm over here. Oh no! The boulders are shifting. I'm caught. Come on. Come on. I've got to lift this rock.
Oh no! Hang on. I'm coming. There's no way I can lift this rock. We'll have to try swimming underneath to escape. On 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
That was close.
We're gonna need Teresa and Smoke Stomper. But can they get here before the lava arrives?
Marcel, get a dino signal over to Smoke Stomper. Right away, Chief! Tell him and Teresa to do whatever they can to get here as fast as they can.
No need for that dino signal, Chief. We're already here. Yeah! Just show me what rocks you want me to attack and I'll destroy them! Lead the way, Dinosaur Fire Girl.
We think the weakest point is down here. Come on! Let's all push together.
This is such a setback. Not even the three of us working together can break open the dam. We can't stop the volcano.
The dam is still unbroken. I calculate Dinosaur Fire Team will not succeed in time, and the volcano's lava will sweep past the river and destroy the city. The only thing that will blow open the dam is a giant explosion. The team does not have such a thing, but I do. Cinder Bot, I'm glad you're here, but I thought you were back at the base. I have a plan to destroy the dam, but you'll have to get everyone out of the way.
You heard him, team. Everyone, back up! What is Cinder Bot doing down there?
Activate self-destruct mechanism. Begin 60-second countdown in 3 seconds.
What? No! Cinderbot, no! That's too dangerous! You won't survive! No!
Now to lodge myself inside the rock so it blows apart with my body. Dinosaur Fire Team, I'm in position. You must evacuate.
We gotta go now.
Oh my goodness! This place is gonna blow! Everyone get out of here! I got the helicopter! I'll escape in the helicopter! Come on, let's go!
Into the boat plates! We gotta get as far away from here as possible! Come on!
Drive! Come on!
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Totally blew the dam open!
Cinderbot! Cinderbot! Where are you? Cinderbot! Cinderbot! Where are you?
He did it! This will be enough water to stop the lava! But where is Cinderbot? Has he been destroyed? We've got to find Dinosaur Fire Team! Respond!
I'm looking! But all I'm fighting is seaweed! Cinderbot! Where are you? Cinderbot!
I'm glad the river's so powerful, but it's making it hard to search for Cinderbot. He can be washed away at any second. Cinderbot! Can you hear me? Cinderbot! Wait! I see him, team! I'm diving after him! I got him! Little help here, team! Man, is he heavy!
You found him, Justin! Is he alive? Oh no! His power servo's almost gone! Oh no!
I don't even know how to do CPR on a robot. There must be something we can do. Can anybody think of something? Wait, Dinosaur Fire Girl. You've reprogrammed Cinder Bot once before. What if we download his programming and personality into another computer?
Cinder Bot!
Quick, Dinosaur Fire Girl. Cinder Bot needs your programming skills.
She's got his memory chip. Wow! She's putting it into the dino copter.
What is this? A new body? What a marvelous experience! Well, Cinderbot, you may have sacrificed your robot body to save the city, but your mind will live on inside the dinocopter. You're still a member of our team.
Cinderbot saved the city from the volcano! And we saved Cinderbot! Yeah!
It's Dinosaur Fire Team.
Who's got Firetrucks and prehistoric power?
It's Dinosaur Fire Team.
Who's got all the gear and comes at any hour?
It's Dinosaur Fire Team.
Who saves a day in desert work the Saurian way?
It's Dinosaur Fire Team. It's Dinosaur Fire Team.
Who's got Firetrucks and prehistoric power?
It's Dinosaur Fire Team.
Thanks for watching the Imagination Room. And remember, build, play, create.